Welcome to Flute Q&A number 31. This question comes from Sylvia. She says, what is the correct way to swab my flute? Well, conveniently, I have my flute rod, cleaning rod with me here. And I have now this is a little bit embarrassing. It's not very clean. Actually, it is clean. It's been washed. It's just not very new. This is the cleaning gauze that you will need, Sylvia, to clean your flute. I'm going to explain to you why to clean your flute, besides the obvious reasons to keep it clean, and the quickest way to clean your flute. So firstly, my name is Jane Kavanagh. I am a flute teacher and I love teaching people fast ways to improve on the flute. So in this case, this is not a fast way to improve on the flute, but it is a fast way to clean your flute. And when your flute doesn't smell, which is good, it makes you more inclined to want to play it, which means that you will play more and then you will improve. So indirectly, this is going to help you get better at the flute. But no, actually, this is just a maintenance thing, really. All right, so this is a cleaning rod that you should have with your flute. This is the cleaning cloth that is old, but it is clean. The first thing you do is put the little corner of it through like that. Now, these cleaning gauzes are really cheap. This one was about $5 and I've had it for a long time, as you can tell by the state of it. Every time I play the flute, after every time I play the flute, I swab out the inside of my flute. The reason for this, you want to remove as much moisture as possible from the inside of your flute before you put it in the flute case. If I leave my flute out on my flute stand here, if I leave my flute out because I'm playing all day or I'm going to play the next day, I actually don't clean the inside of my flute at all because it dries in the air. So the reason that you swab the inside of your flute is to keep it dry. The reason you keep it dry is so that it doesn't eventually stink / go moldy / go green / whatever else wet flutes are smelling like after a few weeks of not drying them on the inside. So think of it as wet swimmers in Australia. Well, in Sydney, we call them cozies, as in swimming costume. So if you have cozies in a bag after you've gone swimming in a plastic bag and you chuck them in your bag, this is what I tell my students. Chuck them in your school bag and then you don't take them out for a week. They're going to smell bad. Same with the flute if you don't clean it. Okay, this is the quickest way to clean the flute in history. You can try it. I do this. Then I push it through with my longest finger. That goes in the case. Push this through with my longest finger. Now on a good day, that stays in the head joint. That goes in the case. Then here, twist it around. You can see that I have flicked the cloth over the top of this rod, like that. Push it in, twist it around, and you can see up here in the hole that it's getting out most of the moisture. And then that goes in the case. Now, some of my flute students look and they're like, I can see a bit of moisture. It hasn't got it all. Don't worry. If you get 99% of it, it's good enough. That's it. That's the quickest way to clean the flute. Or you can just take it apart piece by piece and clean it separately. That's it. So, was it Sylvia? Yes, Sylvia. Hope that helped. Now, I didn't mention the free mini course. If you, Sylvia, or anyone watching this would like to instantly improve your tone on the flute, join me at www.flute.school/free. Register there and I will literally improve your tone instantly over a series of 3 days. Instantly on day 1, bit instantly on day 2, and instantly on day 3. See you there.